Welcome to Valencia Trails, located in North Naples, Florida. This is a 55 plus community, but it is not your mother's 55 plus community. We're super excited to be taking you on a tour. Come inside and check it out. Hi, my name is Kristin Van Heukelom with Team 239 at Local Real Estate here in Southwest Florida. We are so excited to be taking you on this tour and showcasing Valencia Trails built by GL Homes. This community is on over 160 acres of preserve and features an enormous clubhouse, which you're going to see is under construction. It is set to open early 2023. And this amenity-rich community is located in a great section of North Naples where there's a lot of new construction, new restaurants, tons of new things to try. In addition to that, they have a dog park, over 3 miles of walking trails, and 2 restaurants which are going to be open early 2023.
The 43,000 square foot amenity center and clubhouse at Valencia Trails is a place where you can kick back and relax or enjoy all kinds of activities. They even have Broadway style shows that you can enjoy in the social room. There's a cooking studio, there's arts and crafts rooms, sports lounge, card rooms, resort style pool, lap pool, resistance pool, and a whirlpool spa. Once completed, there will be 6 clay tennis courts, 8 pickleball courts, and 5 bocce courts, with plenty of room for you to get together and have some fun, meet some new friends. For over 45 years, GL Homes has been known as a quality home builder. Where else can you find upgrades such as the ones you see here or in the kitchens and the exteriors in this community? They've also been heavily invested in community improvements such as the Logan Boulevard extension and the Logan Landings commercial project, where you will see some of the nearby attractions and dining for your enjoyment. There are 4 home collections. The Shoreline Collection starting at $600,000 and up, the Atlantica at $780,000 and up, the Coastal Collection $900,000 and up, or the Gulf Shore $1 million plus. There are 15 models total offered at Valencia Trails. Luxury finishes come as a standard in these homes, from the brick pavers to the exterior stonework and the tile roofs. The contemporary design of these open concept gourmet kitchens feature stainless steel appliances and gas cooktops for all your hosting needs. Each of these homes is constructed with a strong emphasis on outdoor living and enjoyment, so you can experience everything that Florida lifestyle has to offer.
When you're not playing in your own backyard, everything you need is less than 20 minutes away. Logan Landings is about 5 miles. Founders Square is 4 miles. There's lots of shopping and dining there. RSW is 20 minutes away. And of course, you have your beaches and hospitals right nearby. Thanks for joining us on this tour of Valencia Trails in North Naples, Florida. If you have any questions about what you've seen, please feel free to reach out to myself or Jonathan. I can be reached at 239-571-7082, and Jonathan can be reached at 239-399-1175. If you're curious about what it's like to live in a community like Valencia Trails, Jonathan and I have been really successful in getting our clients what's called a stay and play, where you can stay in a model home for 3 days and 2 nights. If you have any questions about that, reach out to us.
Hey there, we've just wrapped up this tour of Valencia Trails in beautiful North Naples. I'm Jonathan Van Heukelom with Team 239 and Local Real Estate, along with my partner and wife, Kristin Van Heukelom. Thanks for joining us. You can reach us on our phone numbers, which were in the video before, or at the link below. Thank you.